This is just to give you a rough idea of the width of my palm. Here's the Gerber Sumo. (7CR 17 MOV), G10 handle, composite gray and black, ceramic coated liners. This one has the red liners. Apparently there's a blue or silver version. So here it is. Flush screws on the clip. It's not deep carry. It is tip up. The handle feels very soft, like it's got a soft feeling. It is relatively centered. It's got red liners. It is not right now very flickable. Needs to be broken in. Liners are not milled. And it is not drop shutty yet. I love that blade shape. I do love that handle though. I can feel this part of the clip. I mean, not a deal breaker, but I can feel it, especially if I hold it from back here. Lanyard hole. Usually, it has a bigger blade than I usually carry, but I do like the overall look of this knife, the Gerber Sumo. Got it at Cabela's for $39.99. Wow, that just sucks the blade in though.